You know how many of these videos are on YouTube? For a dog, you gotta get her a male.
Cruel punishment.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What are you doing?
I'm recording.
Oh, like, why are you recording?
And I like to record.
You
I'm
can
up.
record now. Hey, I'm coming, I'm coming!
Do it.
Hold on. Hold on, I need to practice time after time. Alright? 1, 2, 3. I'm practicing. Don't be afraid.
Oh boy. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Say, hey, Auntie. Take me.
Definitely. Come here, little papa.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Little
Yeah,
Zachary.
yeah.
Little Zachary. Aww. He's smiling for the camera already. See, I know what that is, that biggie bright light.
Oh, get out of here, man. Can we please not kill people in our salaries?
Like 300 pounds or something. I said he breathed like he's.
Can
Can we please not kill people in our salaries? In our salaries, in our salaries.
What are you talking about? Where did you get that from?
salaries.
Say hi to the camera. Yeah, what?
Can we please not kill people in our salaries?
Oh, goodness. What is he talking? What's your cousin talking about?
I'm talking about this. La 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 la. What you looking at? Yeah, look at my face.